Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a QR code using Canva, the ultimate guide for 2025. QR codes have become a must-have in our digital world, connecting physical materials to online content instantly. Whether you want to share a website, promote an event, or even exchange contact info, QR codes make it effortless. And the best part? Canva makes it super easy, even if you've never tried it before. First, open Canva and log in, or sign up if you're new. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the QR code option in the sidebar. Don't see it? No problem. Click on the Apps button on the left, search for QR code, and select the generator tool. Now comes the fun part. Enter the URL you want your QR code to link to. This could be your website, a product page, or a social media profile. Make sure there are no typos or extra spaces because accuracy matters here. Once your link is ready, click the Generate Code button. Canva will instantly create a unique QR code tied to your link. Once your code appears, you can easily place it on any design, resize it, move it around, and make it fit perfectly on a flyer, business card, or social post. When it looks just right, hit download, choose your preferred format like PNG or PDF, and your QR code is ready to share. Before you finish, don't forget to test your QR code to make sure it works. That's it. In just a few steps, you've created a functional and professional QR code using Canva. It's fast, creative, and incredibly user-friendly, perfect for boosting your digital presence. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.